I'm Anthony Falletta. I work for Greenman-Pedersen. I'm the Director of Electrical Engineering here in the Northeast Pennsylvania office. We provide all the power, all the systems engineering. We do the construction administration, and most importantly, we do the plant commissioning. For our commissioning processes, we are in the field. We work directly with the contractors in the field. It's not uncommon to find us with screwdrivers in the panels, helping the contractor sort out wires or work out problems. We do numerous hours of continuing education every year. We're part of the evolution. In writing our software and doing our graphics programs, it's not uncommon for us to work with the manufacturers and help them develop different features in the software for new releases. We try to lead by example. We try to get our junior engineers and our upcomers to understand the benefit to the client for having a good cohesive group that everybody works together and pulls the rope in the same direction. Here at GPI, our electrical group is excited every morning to get up and make those electrons do what we want them to do to better serve our clients. My name's Anthony Falletta, and this is my talent.